A prosecutor can charge GHB possession in either the Schedule 1 way or the Schedule 3 way. When it's charged for Schedule 1, it's charged under Health and Safety Code 11350. And 11350 is a wobbler offense. That means it can be charged as a misdemeanor or as a felony. Now, after the passage of Proposition 47 in November of 2014, the majority of cases for GHB, when it is had for personal possession and personal use, are going to be charged as misdemeanors. If the defendant has a violent felony or a sex offense felony, then the prosecutor would be able to charge it as a felony as well. But the average GHB personal possession case is charged as a misdemeanor. It's an entirely different matter if the police or the prosecutor believe that a person possesses GHB for the purpose of selling it, distributing it, or trafficking it. That is always prosecuted as a felony. As a misdemeanor, the defendant could be imprisoned up to a year in jail and, for the Schedule 1 offense, fined up to $20,000. Now, if a person possesses prescription GHB without a prescription, that is, unlawfully, then they will be prosecuted under Health and Safety Code 11377. Now, this is also a misdemeanor and a felony. It's also a wobbler. And in a similar way, the defendant will be prosecuted either as a misdemeanor or a felony based on their criminal record. But Health and Safety Code 11377 has a fine limit of $10,000. So it's much less than the Schedule 1 version. Still, personal possession of GHB in either case, either of the Schedule 1 version or of the Schedule 3 version, is most commonly prosecuted as a misdemeanor. And depending on the defendant's criminal background, it's likely that a skilled criminal defense attorney would be able to get him or her some kind of drug diversion so that they would be able to avoid a jail or a prison sentence altogether. That's why if you or a loved one is facing a charge of possessing GHB in any circumstance, you should have a skilled criminal defense attorney look at the case to anticipate how the case is going to go forward and what options might be available for that defendant for keeping them out of jail or prison.